Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can change or find the nozzle temperature in Bambu Studio. Now, if you're coming from another tool and struggling to find basic settings on Bambu Studio, you've come to the right video. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your projects, and from here, you then want to navigate through your project filaments. It's going to be on the size categories right here. Basically, inside, you then want to click on the click to edit preset button. It's going to be the three dots beside the filaments right here. And basically, bingo, we have successfully find the print temperature for our printer settings. Now, you want to make sure to also click on the edit button, and basically, this is going to be it right here. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.